interrupted with the Interceptor Library DLL blocking localized process interception logic workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin the manual steps for Interceptor Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Interceptor Library, a specialized localized hooking and injection library, frequently used by game modding tools, overlays, like Discord, or specialized macro software to intercept and modify localized system calls or graphics draw calls, D3D, within a host process. Failure triggers, injection failed, or anti-cheat flags. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The file Interceptor Library DLL is required for localized process interception logic to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Interceptor Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder, modifying Interceptor Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Interceptor Library documentation. If you've regained access to Interceptor Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.